want to be a Muslim anymore.
You see,
I don't want to
he
be
doesn't
Muslim
want to be a
anymore.
Muslim
Khalas,
anymore.
I don't want to be a Muslim anymore. Is that good?
Where is your
Okay.
brother? Bring your
Now-
brother.
Now, who's Jesus?
Bring your brother, sir. Excuse me, sir. You need
Who's
to bring
Jesus?
your brother because
Who's
your brother
Jesus?
is now going to begin panicking.
Who's
Please.
Jesus?
He doesn't want to be a Muslim
Is
anymore.
Jesus a God?
And the reason is very simple. The reason is for the first time
Is
in his
Je-
life,
is Jesus
he
a
heard
God?
a question that
Jesus a
challenged
God?
Islam. Hello, sir. Are you Muslim, sir? Please come here. Just wanted to have a simple conversation. I am a Christian, but please come here. Lovely to see you.
Hi, how are you?
By God's grace. Okay, what's your name?
Ahmed.
Ahmed. Where are you from, Ahmed?
I'm from Dubai.
Dubai. Lovely to see you today. And are you visiting or do you live here?
Visiting,
now?
visiting.
Visiting. I am a Christian, of course. I believe in the Bible. I believe in Jesus to be God and all those sorts of stuff. And I'd like to invite you to become a Christian. I think it's very important.
How many gods do you believe?
I'll come there in a bit. But in relation to the Quran, you claim that this is a revelation from the Islamic Allah to a historical person called Muhammad.
Yes.
What's the evidence you have for this?
I have a lot of evidence, but let's start from beginning first.
You know,
God himself.
what's your evidence for this being a revelation?
I will tell you, but first let's start from the beginning. How many gods do you believe in?
What's the evidence that this is a revelation?
I will
No,
tell you.
I'm really interested. Let's
No,
let's get to that
we
straight,
come-
please.
First.
No,
we'll start-
revelation is key. Do you believe this is a revelation from the Islamic Allah to
Yes,
Muhammad?
yes.
On what
Wait,
basis?
Wait.
On what basis?
We'll start the conversation from the beginning.
No, let's. We don't have much time.
No, we
What
have
is
much
the
time.
what is the evidence that
No,
this
no.
is a revelation?
If you want to have a conversation, we'll start from the beginning, from the God himself.
Well, because you
How many
can't we
gods
can't
do you
talk
believe in?
you can't talk about the
No, I
revelation
can.
part.
I can.
Please let's get on that. It's very interesting
No.
and I really want to focus on
If
that.
you have a conversation, we'll start from beginning.
So that's fine. Now, if you don't have evidence, you
I have.
Please,
I
please.
have.
Can you try a few, one or two?
I would like to ask you a question first. You are breaching me.
No, I'm asking you. I'm interviewing you.
You didn't come
I'm
here.
interviewing you right now.
No.
I'm trying to find
you
out.
You
So,
said.
do you have
Okay,
evidence
I'm
or not?
Muslim.
Okay, that's
And
fine.
you
I
want
know. I know everyone who comes here.
Habibi,
I know everyone.
He wants to breach me to Christianity. So
I know.
want to know. I'm asking you a question. How many gods do you believe in?
I know every Muslim who
not
comes here suddenly
not
becomes
Muslim.
not a
I'm not
Muslim.
Muslim.
I completely understand.
Habibi, I'm asking you a question.
Did you
He's
say you're not a
breaching-
Muslim?
Again, he's a breaching.
whoa.
Yes.
Did you say you're
he's
not a Muslim?
breaching me to be Christian? I'm
So-
asking him a very clear
Are you a
question.
Muslim or not?
Again, I'm asking him a very clear question.
Are you a Muslim or not?
How many gods do you believe in?
I believe in one God. Now let's come to
Okay,
this.
Who's Jesus?
Now, excuse me. So, in other words, you really won't get to this at all. You really is there any? Are you a Muslim, sir?
Come on.
Any Muslim? Any Muslim who can face the challenge
He's
head on?
To be Christian. He's breaching me to be Christian. I'm asking you
Any
a very clear
Muslim
question.
who can face the challenge.
How many
Excuse
gods
me.
do you believe in?
Excuse me, sir. Any Muslim,
You cannot.
any Muslim
Okay,
who can
who's
begin,
Jesus?
who can
Who's
begin,
Jesus?
any Muslim
Okay.
who can begin
Again,
to give
yalla,
evidence.
Let's start from here.
Are you a Muslim, sir?
Guys, let's start from here. Who's Jesus?
Okay, maybe I'll go there. No problem.
See, he cannot.
Brother, can I?
He cannot.
Sorry.
As simple as that.
Are you a Muslim, sir?
I am Muslim. I am Muslim. Talk
No,
to
you
me.
said you're not.
No,
A few minutes ago you said
are
you're not.
Preaching me to be
Yeah.
Christian.
So I'd
Tell
like to
me,
find
how
out-
many gods do you believe in? How many gods do you believe in?
Is there any evidence for this being? Are you a Muslim, sir? Please come here. No? Is there any Muslim who can give evidence?
Talk to me.
He can't give evidence. He is clueless. He is. Are you a Muslim, sir?
He said.
So please come here. You come here.
Wait.
No, please come. What's the evidence that this is from Allah to
Excuse me.
the historical person called Muhammad?
Christian. I'm going to convert to Christianity.
Any evidence?
I want
Is
to
there
convert.
is there any
I want
evidence?
to convert.
He has a hearing issue, I
want
think.
to convert to Christianity.
Hearing
I'm
issue.
asking him questions.
Any evidence for this being from
It's your opportunity to
this
convert
being
me
a
to
revelation
Christianity.
from the Islamic Allah to a historical person called Muhammad? Any evidence?
Again, guys.
All
he-
grown-ups. What are you
he
guys
has
doing?
Opportunity
How
to
long have you
convert
been
me to
Muslims in your life?
Christianity. I'm asking him a question.
How
he doesn't
long-
want to answer.
how long
I'm
have you
asking
guys
a
been
question.
Muslims?
Again, how many gods do you believe in?
Is there any? So you can't answer. You can't answer. How about you, sir? Can you answer? 1-0, yes, yes.
I want to
Muslims who are clueless. Muslims who are, I've asked him, he either has a hearing issue or a mental issue. Whatever the reason is, he is not engaging with the question which has been asked. Are you a Muslim, sir? Yourself? I know every Muslim who comes here is not involved. Is there any Muslim who can explain why this is a revelation from the Islamic Allah to a historical person called Muhammad? Anyone who can take this challenge up, as opposed to rambling on and talk about the fact that you haven't had breakfast and so on. Anyone?
Help me out.
Anyone, sir? Are you a Muslim, sir? Yourself, sir?
Help me out.
So you can't answer. You're a Muslim, you can't answer. You are a Muslim, you can't answer. All of you guys, what have you been doing in your life?
Okay, answer my
What have you been doing with your life so far? With no... so you're now angry now, so you can answer. What's the evidence? What's the evidence that this is from an Islamic Allah to a historical person called Muhammad?
In your life?
Any evidence?
What have you done in your life?
Any evidence?
Evidence of what?
For this being...
Said what you have.
For this being from Islamic Allah, a revelation to the historical person called Muhammad. Any evidence?
Man. What's your background?
Any evidence?
What's your background?
Any evidence?
Yes, what's your background?
What's the evidence?
I will tell you after.
Please.
I will tell you. What's your background?
Have you got any evidence?
What is your background?
Why does every Muslim show up here and the first, instead of straight away getting to the evidence, they're interested in what did I have for breakfast?
Are you Christian initially?
Are you
Because you said he's deaf.
What's-
I'm asking question. Are you Christian initially? Answer the question. Look, I said I have.
if you have evidence,
I have. Are you
please go on.
Are you Christian?
Otherwise,
Are you Christian?
otherwise,
Are you Christian?
I think you are
Are you Christian?
unstable mentally because you can't engage in an intellectual conversation. Any Muslim who is willing to answer the question which has been asked.
Me.
Note carefully, the question is, give evidence for the fact that
Okay.
this book, which is called the Quran,
Yes, I believe-
is
I
a
have-
revelation from the Islamic Allah to a historical person called Muhammad.
Okay,
I'm looking for evidence. Let's try and see if he can give us evidence.
Yes. First of all, I build my belief on a logical reasons. Okay, that God is one. He's powerful.
Excuse me, sir. If you can please stay away. The camera is trying to capture. I can see. I can see. Okay, yeah. But brother, can you please come closer? Very intelligent guy who can't give answers to the questions,
I have.
but who can only be a nuisance at Speaker's Corner. Excuse me, sir. In Saudi Arabia, there could be nuisance corner. Go try your tricks. Maybe there too.
Try again.
Maybe there too. Try again. Here we try to engage in intellectual conversations. If you don't like intellectual conversations, yeah. Evidence.
I will
Evidence
answer.
for this from
Okay,
Islamic Allah to Muhammad.
I built when I wanted to be a Muslim, I just built my belief on logical reasons. Okay, there should be only one God, and He doesn't change, and He doesn't move, and there's no fabrication for this, what we call Quran, for 14th century. All the aspects of the God that I was looking for, it's in Quran. I found it only on Quran. His power.
Do you understand the word revelation?
What?
Do you understand the word historical person?
Historical.
Do you understand the name Muhammad?
I
The
answered
question was specific. I'm not asking you to tell me what Islam is. What is the evidence?
I'm giving
Evidence.
you. I'm
Yeah,
giving
listen,
you.
listen to me
I'm
again.
giving you.
Listen to me again, please. I'll try again. What is the evidence? What is the evidence that this is a revelation
Yes.
from the Islamic Allah to a historical person called Muhammad?
We have like a virgin before 14th century, and the same as this one.
How
No
does that?
fabrication.
What does that anything have to do with this being a revelation? What's the relationship between? What's revelation? Any evidence for this being a revelation from the Islamic Allah to a historical person called Muhammad?
I'm telling you again and again and again.
Yeah, you haven't given an evidence so far. Is there anyone else who could help him?
What do you mean by
Evidence.
So what?
So
what kind
now,
of
now he
evidence
wants to
you're
learn the meaning of the
looking for?
word evidence.
What kind of evidence you're looking for?
You tell me. For a historical event.
What do you mean by what kind of evidence you're looking for?
Okay. For a history.
I mean,
When
what kind of evidence?
I'm answering. I'm answering. Don't panic, please. I'm answering right now. In terms of history, you know the kinds of evidence we look for to establish the historicity of people
The existence of
and
people?
events. You know the kinds of things we look for. You know, it could be archaeology, rock engravings. It could be literature. It could be literature that gives details of the history that are
have
scrutinized
all.
and
We
so
have
on.
it.
So
We
please,
have it
now
all. We
you're
have it all.
one second. It's in a one second. Now you're starting. Now you're starting. As a Muslim, now excuse me, sir. I'm not interested in you right now, sir. Thank you very much. Now you. Yeah, thank you. I don't think you are intellectually inclined at all, sir, with your tricks earlier on. Now coming to you. So now you've learned what the word evidence
Let me
means.
ask you a
Please.
question. Just let me
No,
ask you a question.
no,
Is
no.
this-
What's the?
Let
Now
me
you've
ask
learned.
you a question.
I've asked you a question already. You've learned the meaning of the word
let me ask you a
evidence.
question.
Now
Is it-
please
is it-
tell
is
me
it- is it-
what are
is
the
this-
evidence you
is
have
this-
to establish
is
this
it-
to be a revelation
is
from
it
the
not-
Islamic Allah to a historical person called Muhammad.
Is this like investigation or like
Some
some debate?
scrutiny,
No,
historical
if you want a debate, we can debate.
No, we're not debating. I'm asking you some questions.
So it's
I'd
like
like to
you
find.
only-
Okay, there we go. So he can't. Yeah, you can spend him. You can spend half an hour with him. Now he has learned the meaning of the word evidence. That's good. As a Muslim, for the first time in his life, he has learned the meaning of the word evidence.
You said
Now we are willing to carry forward the word evidence you've understood. Now please tell me evidence, revelation, historical person called Muhammad, revelation from a God to this person called Muhammad. Evidence, please.
evidence. What? Hey, you said like what kind of evidence you're looking for? I don't understand.
I know you don't understand, but
Archaeology. Archaeology. Now let's go to Saudi Arabia. Yes, I have archaeologists.
please.
Yes, let's go to Saudi Arabia.
If you go to Saudi Arabia, it's called tourism, visiting.
No, I will show
It's-
you.
That's
show you.
not evidence.
I don't
I'm
have.
asking
Okay,
you
this
if you have
this is
evidence.
The archaeologist. Okay, this. What kind of evidence you're looking
You're
for?
panicking right now. You're asking the same question over and over again. I've told you already.
asking the question.
To establish historical events and places and people, we look for things such as archaeological artifacts. We look for things such as historical literature.
I don't have it with me.
We have.
I don't have it with me. If you want, let's go to.
I didn't.
show
Excuse
you.
me, sir. Maybe you misunderstood me. I didn't ask you. Can you please bring your evidence here? I'm asking you, what evidence have you got?
I told you many evidence, and you're looking
Give
for
me
something.
name a few, please.
First of all, I told you when you build your belief, you build
No,
it-
let's get to the evidence. You're repeating here.
This is-
Evidence,
this
please.
is very like.
When you build your belief, he's repeating.
No, he's looking for like certain.
I'm looking for evidence. Excuse me, sir. He is panicking. He is panicking. Please, are you his friend? Are you his friend? He's your brother. Now, if you are a brother who wants to help, know at least when your brother is panicking, as opposed to putting him on the hot spot again. Evidence for revelation of this from Islamic Allah to a historical person called Muhammad.
Type. Now you have made like argument that really convinced me to be a Christian. Now I would like to ask some questions.
You see, is he going to anytime soon give any evidence?
I want to convert.
Do you think he is going to give any evidence anytime soon? Excuse me, sir. Look, to answer him, firstly, he is not qualified to become a Christian yet.
Okay.
You know why?
Okay.
Only sensible people can become Christians. He is panicking, and in his panic.
Yeah, he like now what I'm saying.
Are you
is-
going to get to the evidence sometime soon?
let me-
No, wait.
Okay,
What's your name? You said. Sorry, I forgot. Ahmed, when are you planning to get
Can I
to?
talk-
No,
can I talk for 1
you
minute?
you've tried a
1
long
minute,
time.
1 minute, just give me 1
When
minute.
are you planning to get to the evidence part?
Okay. Now I would like admit that I don't understand the evidence. So I would like you to give me the evidence of the archaeologist evidence of existence of Jesus and Moses and the revelation of this Bible, so I understand, so I can answer your question. Now you
Please
give me-
bring his brother. He really needs help now.
So I would like to understand just what do you mean.
I know you like to understand all sorts of things, but before that, I'd like to be on the same page that you haven't got a clue. Okay, if we can agree on that,
Okay,
I'd like
let
to
me
move
talk
on.
to them, not to you. Not to
No one is interested because all of them are clearly as blank as you are. So, yeah, this man is a musician. Please come here. Please come here, sir. Evidence for this being a revelation from the Islamic
I
Allah
would like
to a
to
historical
understand-
person called
I would
Muhammad.
like to understand what's the evidence he's looking for. So I'm asking him this question.
Can you
So-
see him repeating?
Yeah. Okay. So he said, I don't understand. I don't understand. Yes. Exactly. I want the evidences.
Excuse me, sir. You know, wait a second. If I were you, one second. If I were you, the first decision I would take is figure out
Yes,
the earliest.
I want that.
Please.
I want that.
He wants this.
Yes, I want
Figure
that.
out
I want that.
the earliest opportunity to leave Islam.
Yalla,
You
me,
want
me,
that?
me.
So this is an earlier.
Now-
Are you
now-
willing to say now that you haven't got
Yes,
an
yes,
evidence?
yes. خلاص, أنا-
Are you willing to
Yes,
say
yes, yes.
Muhammad is
Oh
a
my
false
God,
prophet?
oh my God.
No one has a clue
Guys,
that he even
he
existed.
has a very... Wait. Guys,
You sir, did you?
Again,
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Enough. No, that's fine.
No, I want to be Christian. I'm telling everyone.
I know you want to be all sorts of things right now because you haven't got a clue. I can completely
God.
understand. When you panic, you want to be anything other than being a
I want to
Muslim.
convert to
I
Christianity.
understand this.
Just-
You, sir, please come here. You don't want to be a...
Yalla.
So, Muslims show up here. They either don't want to be on camera, or they can't speak English, or they don't understand the meaning of the word evidence, or they want to ask all sorts of other questions while blindly wanting to remain as a Muslim.
Question for someone who's preaching about Christianity.
That's not a microphone, so you need to...
I want you to teach me about Christianity. How many gods do you believe
Too
in?
much of confusion
How
going on,
many-
can you
I want
see?
to be Christian.
He thinks that's a microphone. Is
I
that a
want-
microphone?
How many gods do you believe in?
So you, sir, you said you
How
know
many
more than
gods
me.
do
Please
you
come here,
believe
sir.
in? How
You
many
said you know
gods-
more than me
How many gods
a
do
few
you
minutes
believe in?
ago. Now you don't know anymore.
How many gods do you believe in?
All
Who's
right.
Jesus? Is he
Okay.
a god?
Is there any Muslim who can make sense?
Is Jesus a god?
Any Muslim who can make sense?
Is Jesus a god?
Okay, there are plenty of evidence. It's just that he doesn't want to give it to me.
How many gods
Ah,
do you
nice.
believe in?
I'm convinced.
Be a Christian. Bring me
I'm really convinced right now.
How many?
Okay, please don't touch me anymore. Please don't touch me.
I didn't touch you.
Okay, that's fine.
How many
So-
gods do you believe in?
You're touching me again. Please don't. You touch me
How
again.
many gods do you believe in?
So, I am now thoroughly
How many
convinced
gods do you
that
believe in?
Muslims come. You touch me again now.
How many gods do you believe in?
I answered that already for you. We're
I
waiting
want
for.
to be Christian. I want him to teach me.
I know.
How many
Now,
gods do you believe in?
So, no Muslim who
Who's
wants
Jesus?
to give
Who's
evidence.
Jesus? Is Jesus a god?
This is the sad reality of our nation. And they are happy. They are happy because they think they have been successful Muslims. Because he used a water bottle as a microphone coming again.
Who's Jesus?
Are you intelligent Christian? Answer.
Who's Jesus?
He is your God.
Aha. Okay, now we started. Okay. Is he a
Now-
biological? Wait,
Now let's
wait.
get to this.
Wait.
Get to this.
Yeah.
Now let's see how sense.
Muhammad. How do you establish Muhammad to be a historical
I
person?
don't want to be a Muslim anymore.
You see?
I don't want to
He
be
doesn't want to be a
anymore.
Muslim
I don't
anymore.
want to be a Muslim anymore. Is that good?
Where is your
Okay.
brother? Bring your
Now-
brother.
Now, who's Jesus?
Bring your brother, sir. Excuse me, sir. You need
Who's
to bring
Jesus?
your brother because your
Who's
brother
Jesus?
is now going to begin panicking.
Who's
Please.
Jesus?
He doesn't want to be a Muslim
Is
anymore.
Jesus a God?
And the reason is very simple. The reason is for the first time in his life,
is Jesus
he
a
heard
God?
a question that
Jesus a
challenged
God?
Islam. And the first question
Is
made
this
him
the
leave
God?
Islam.
Yeah, okay.
Ya Allah, yeah, yeah.
How
First
many- how
question
many
made him
gods- how
leave
many
Islam.
gods there is?